So as you can see over here, I'm just about to have my delicious breakfast, right? In this 5-star resort. But what is the most important thing is if you want to have the similar results, like be able to travel around the world to the tropical places, be on the tropical beaches around the world, and basically have the results like sustainable. I'm not talking about only one day where you're earning $1,000 per day, but every single day, sustainable results. This is what matters. You see, most gurus are not telling you the real secret of long-term success. Everyone is looking on the short-term thinking, short-term results. But what matters most is that you can have stress-free life. You see, most people are struggling with depression. They are stressed out what is going to happen if my Google ad account or Facebook ad account or YouTube ad account is going to shut me down tomorrow. But here we don't have to worry about this. Why? Because we are doing it sustainable, long-term way, where you can start out as a newbie with just only laptop and $1,000 or $2,000 and start having sustainable high-ticket commissions. For example, imagine this: waking up in the morning, taking out your laptop and checking that you just made a $2,000 commission. Now that's great. Why? Because you just had one sale or maybe 2 to 3 sales. So it doesn't really matter. What matters is your mindset and having someone to guide you through step by step along the way, showing you the ropes of how it's done properly, sustainable, transparent way, and long term. So if you're still watching this video and if you want to have sustainable affiliate marketing results every single day, right, then what you can do is subscribe to my channel over here, somewhere above, and then click the link below this video in my description under the video, where you can reach out to me personally on my WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or email. Send me the message. Send me, yes, I want to show me more, show me the money, show me how affiliate marketing is done correctly, step by step, and I will personally help you to have results you desire.